Okay, this is the part where Rick's going to get me trampled by a bull. Okay, so it's not a big bull, but he's running him my way. He has this great idea. He goes, "Come on, dude. This is going to be fun. I'm going to go catch one of these bulls with my lasso on my bike because I'm a motorcycle cowboy." Yeah. They're in fear of his bike because they know his saddlebags came from one of their relatives. And here comes a little tiny horse to run past him. And he's going to run these bulls toward me. Thanks, Rick. And there goes a little horse.